Hey adventurers, welcome back guys. Well, we have a great adventure for you guys today. A good old-fashioned family camp out. We had one heck of a time trying to find this place in the dark, but once we found it, oh, it was perfect. Now, adventuring and camping has always been our passion over here at Wonder Offroad, and finding good spots is sometimes very hard to come by. Now, we were fortunate enough to actually come across this one through Hipcamp. And so me, Mrs. Wonder Offroad, and of course David have a little family adventure. Now, I must tell you how we found the spot. It was actually really fun, actually. Hipcamp, they set you guys up with, landowners, people who are willing to rent out land or space so you can camp, glamp, park your RV. And we found this one at a pretty reasonable price. Now, Hipcamp is pretty much like the Airbnb of camping. You will find your spot in your adventure, hopefully sometimes even in your own backyard or at least nearby. And there's some beautiful spaces. Like this one we found was really a gem. Now I can't really show you too much because of course it's dark, but just wait, you'll see more. All right guys, so we have finally made it over here to our camp spot. And I gotta say, like, this is actually really cool. We can't really see too much except for with our Devos Light Rangers lights up. But what do you think so far, Mrs. Wonder?
I really like it. So we're elevated, surrounded by boulders and on a really beautiful view hillside. So I was enjoying seeing the twinkling lights in the far distance. I was enjoying the quiet and stillness that is here. I don't hear anything.
Yeah, we can see the city from here, so we have a beautiful hilltop view, I must say. So tomorrow we'll give you guys a better angle of how it looks at this camp spot. But yeah, Hipcamp, this is a nice little gem that we found here from them. So I got Baby Wonder Offroad has found his voice. You know, when you're trying to do those quiet shots, he knows how to let you know his opinion. Right, Mrs.?
Yeah. But I'm so glad he found his voice. It's just timing.
Timing, yeah. Hey, David. Say hi to everyone at home. Say hi, Dave. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Good job, David. Good job, David.
Okay, we did not stage that. This is a genuine shock right now from both of us.
You're so smart.
David.
Oh you're like a genius.
Say hello. Okay, that was our entertainment, our shock for the night. Okay, let's make some dinner. How does that sound, Mrs.?
Sounds great. Hey, Mr. Wonder, what you got there?
I got some bulldog ramen. This stuff's so delicious. A little spicy, but oh man, is it worth the burn. Cheers.
Cheers.
Time to go sleepies now. You want to go sleep? Now I must say, I was thoroughly pleased to see that they had a fire pit at this spot. It's really hard sometimes to have a fire, or a campfire I should say, in California. Almost everywhere as you go in the state is a perpetual fire ban, with the exception of desert spots or private land in this situation, so it was very nice to just relax, enjoy the great view of the mountainside, and look out into the city and kind of just see. Of course, David here he wants to get out of this chair and go explore, and you know, he's starting to get his legs now, so he will be walking sooner than we know it. Also, here's our latest gadget, the Devos Light Ranger 500. This thing's so cool. Very compact, not too bright, but just bright enough. 3 color settings, so I really like this though. I'm like, you know, on top of that, it's really great for inside the tent. So no longer fumbling around trying to find the light switch at night. Are you as blown away by the view as I am? Yeah, this spot, we came in overnight and we were thoroughly impressed the next day. But I must say, this place really makes a great spot to make your breakfast, sit down with your coffee, of course, and enjoy the breeze and just relax. That's what me and the Mrs. Wonder Off-Road came out here to do. Make some good food, you know, make some memories and see the sights and just take a load off. Also, I got hazelnut for the creamer today.
Thank you.
Here we go, eat up. Now, if you've ever seen the movie Holes, you'll know what I'm talking about right now when you see these 2 lizards on this rock. The yellow spotted lizard, that's what me and Mrs. Wonder Off-Road kept thinking of when we saw these guys. And this area was full of so much wildlife. It really made it so relaxing just to hear nature's noise and just overall enjoy some relaxation. But we must say that this spot was worth the journey, you know. Now, this particular location is located in Fallbrook, California. The particular location is called Split Rock Farm or Ranch. I'll put the link down below, but you guys can check it out. And there is so many different spots on this particular property where you can actually stay at as well, not just this one. They also do have some glamping locations as well, so you can really either get one with nature or be comfortable with nature. Now, on this particular farm, they also do have some goats, so we able to say hi. They also do have a small little camp shop as well, so big pro. Cell service actually was really good here. We still used our Starlink just so we could stay in contact. Because I know some carriers do get spotty, but you should be fine for the most part if you're up here. But this view that you're seeing with me. So we found something cool on this property, an observation deck. This is, of course, taking David out here. Now, this view, we loved it. I only wish, you know, I had more time to stay here. And that's really, you know, what makes this trip so fun. It was so close to a home for us that we were able to make a small little journey, relax, enjoy a great night's rest, and see some spectacular views of this valley and all this little wildlife that's around here as well. And that's what we thoroughly enjoy over here at Wonder Off-Road. Having somewhere to come rest our head and ultimately get inspired by nature. Now, if you guys want to book this spot, I'm going to leave a link for it down below so you guys can see what you can reserve in the future. Hipcamp has so many other spots and locations around the country, so you can definitely plan your next adventure with them, or your next road trip, or even your next glamping adventure. Well guys, that's going to do it for us today over here at Wonder Off-Road. We want to thank you guys again for watching this far. Please leave a like if you like this content, share this with friends, share this family, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.